Crafting business presentations from in-depth research is a high-touch, time-intensive process. Teams spend countless hours structuring insights, aligning branding, and going through revisions. Too much time is lost formatting slides instead of focusing on strategic analysis and impactful storytelling. AutoDeck changes that. Powered by EvoGen, a multi-agent intelligence system built by Nebula 9.ai, it automates 70 to 90% of slide creation, structuring, formatting, and compliance checks, while keeping researchers and analysts in control. With human in the loop at every stage, AutoDeck enhances the team's bandwidth to refine insights, shape compelling narratives, and deliver boardroom-ready presentations faster than ever. When you enter the platform, you can view a dashboard designed for effortless navigation. Here, you can instantly access your most recent presentations, complete with real-time progress indicators, whether AI has finished processing or is still enhancing slides. The dashboard also provides a recent activity panel, keeping track of the latest updates, edits, and team collaborations. And for organizations that require on-brand, high-impact visuals, our Assets Library houses team-specific resources, including company-approved templates, AI-generated layouts, and dynamic infographics, ensuring that every slide is crafted to perfection. Getting started is effortless. Users can start a new presentation by uploading a business research document. As part of the upload, users can define key inputs such as brand guidelines, document-specific formatting preferences, desired emphasis areas. Once uploaded, the AI reads the document's structure, identifies critical insights, and automatically begins building a presentation aligned with both the research content and brand standards. As users step into the AI-powered presentation workspace, they gain complete control over their slides with an intuitive interface. At the top toolbar, quick access buttons allow users to effortlessly add text, images, shapes, and charts. On the right side AI control panel, users can find AI suggestions to provide real-time recommendations for layouts, infographics, and design refinements. Next, the task log keeps track of AI enhancements and manual assignments. With formatting, users can instantly apply company branding. The chat panel lets teams communicate and align on changes. The slide assignment and progress tracker allows users to assign slides, mark progress, and ensure nothing is missed. The AI deeply understands document structure. For example, if a report includes complex data or a detailed executive summary, AutoDeck will convert these into clear, digestible slides, applying visual hierarchy, branding, and smart layouts. Need to fine-tune the results? The human-in-the-loop feedback system lets users preview slides, request specific changes, and even choose from multiple alternative layouts, intelligently ranked based on prior user preferences and selection data. But AutoDeck goes beyond basic formatting. Brand compliance is built in from the ground up. When research includes data-heavy content, AutoDeck creates AI-generated infographics for the same. For those who want a deeper dive, the Assets Extraction tool allows users to review archived assets that includes extracted files such as text files, annotations, design assets, infographics, AI-generated enhancements, etc., making it easy to repurpose and reuse critical elements. Users can also view the progress on each slide along with tasks to be completed, as well as the user it is assigned to, along with information regarding agents used and their time breakdown. To quantify AI's impact, the Analytics dashboard provides a comprehensive breakdown of performance and efficiency gains. Users can track the total presentations processed, slides enhanced, and time saved compared to manual efforts. The AI suggestion approval rate offers valuable insights into how often AI-generated changes are accepted without modifications, highlighting its accuracy and reliability. The task distribution report visualizes the different types of tasks, categorizing them by time taken and request volume, using intuitive infographics to compare AI-driven enhancements with manual edits. Additionally, users can view the most frequent manual corrections requested, along with the number of iterations required before approval and the success rate of AI-generated designs, helping teams refine their workflows. It's time to move beyond manual deck creation and into a future of high-impact storytelling. With AutoDeck, your research becomes a compelling presentation, automatically structured, beautifully designed, and ready for the boardroom in minutes. For more information, contact Nebula 9.ai today